I sat through a panel with Google where they're trying to create a digital twin of the Earth, which I thought was a really, talk about a sort of a big audacious goal, right? But kind of a fascinating one when you think about things like wildfire risks and other type of cat risks.
Yeah, and whether it's wildfire or hurricanes, but specifically wildfire, having better tools to map those properties, and there are tools that exist out there to do that.
For sure, yeah.
But being able to interface the information that I receive in as an underwriter on Accord applications, and then interface that with a wildfire tool would be much more effective in the underwriting process and making decisions of which locations would be acceptable or which locations would not be.
How do you think about the role in AI in some of those use cases that you just talked about, right? And maybe even, expand on that. And how do you think about where does AI best fit in? Again, contemplating the differences between personal lines products and underwriting versus commercial lines products and underwriting. Are there different spaces where AI is more impactful or more meaningful to have in the workflow?
Just from a perspective of, and I'm thinking new business here, the Accord application comes through the door, being able to take that information and put it in a condensed, easy to use format for the underwriter. I think that is probably one of the biggest changes that could benefit your desk underwriters that are sitting there looking at accounts day in and day out. They could make a decision quicker. And I know we really haven't talked about this yet,